biggest Roblox YouTubers that stopped uploading. Starting with Tofu, who made videos on popular games back in 2020, but quit just a year later after being exposed for sending inappropriate photos to Russo Play's wife. He later returned with AI thumbnails and now rarely uploads as he's focusing on a music career.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, yummy, yeah.
Next is VuxVux, who gained over 10 million subscribers making Brookhaven videos, but quit last year after being criticized for his controversial clickbait titles, along with accusations of racism after he mimicked an Asian accent. Now he only uploads sponsored shorts every few weeks. And the most popular Tower of Hell YouTuber, Pinkleaf, hasn't uploaded in over a year. Many fans thought he just burned out or forgot his password, but it turned out he had to quit because of a serious hand injury, and he's hoping to make a return one day.